Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am Sir Imad Qasim. Today we are going to start the comprehension of class 8. First of all, open the book and go to the page number 27. There is the lesson 5, Father Damon. As you can see, there is a list of difficult words on your screen. By the help of difficult words, we can understand the whole chapter very well. Before moving to the first paragraph, I want to give you some introduction about the chapter. Damon of Molokai, also called Father Damon, his original name Joseph de Vester, who was born on 3rd January 1840 at Belgium and died on 15th April 1889 at Hawaii, the Belgian priest who devoted his life to the missionary work among the Hawaiian lepers and became a saint of the Roman. As you can see, there is a first paragraph on your screen. We have made some bullets. By the help of bullets, we can understand the idea of the paragraph. Let's take a step of reading. One day, he arrived in the leper colony. Father Damon visited every part of the miserable settlement among all the terrible suffering and helplessness. He found one sign of hope, a tiny chapel, neglected but complete. There he knelt to pray for strength and inspiration. Okay, students, this paragraph is saying that the one day Father Damon went to the leper colony and he just visited the miserable settlement, and he was just looking that the people are helpless, they need help. However, during the visit, he saw there is a one tiny chapel. Chapel means church. So he just thought that we can get help from the chapel, and it was a sign of hope. Okay, students, let's move to the second paragraph. He began at once to bring some discipline and order to the colony. He not only held services in the little chapel for those who were Catholics, bringing them the comforts of the religion, but he also started a clinic and dressed the source of all who needed care. The starting line of the paragraph are saying that Father Damon decided to bring the discipline in the colony because the discipline is very important for everyone. Then he just started the service of chapel, means church, for the Catholic to comfort the religion, but he also started a clinic for the treatment of the people because people are facing some disease, therefore he started a clinic to help them. Let's move to the remaining lines of first paragraph. The lepers soon saw that here at last was someone who was not afraid of them or disguised by them, and they began to respect him. Before long, he was able to persuade them to start doing something to help themselves and each other. Student, there is a word leper which means the people who are suffering from skin disease. When the people of colony saw that the Father Damon, he is not afraid of them, he is just trying to connect with them and started help them, so they decided to help Father Damon and started respect him. Just because of act of Father Damon, they started to help each other. Now we are meeting to the third paragraph. The first thing to do was to lay on a proper water supply, which was badly needed. He persuaded the government to provide pipes, and he recognized the stronger leper to lay them, working himself harder than anyone else. Students, the first thing Father Damon started in the colony to supply the proper water because they were badly needed. They need to have some water. For the sake of water, he decided to help from the government. However, for this work, Father Damon was working harder than other people. Next, he taught them to build proper wooden cottages with timber, which he managed to persuade the government to send them. Each cottage had a garden for fruit, vegetables, and flower. Then he set up a hospital and persuaded some of the more healthy lepers to help him with the dressing. So the student next lines of the paragraph are saying that Father Damon started to build the house which is called cottages. For this work he also took help from the government, and every cottage has a garden which is full of fruit and vegetables. Then after he made a hospital for the treatment of the people. As we listened that in second paragraph, he made a clinic. After making clinic, he decided to make a hospital for the treatment of the people. Let's read last lines of third paragraph. Later, with help from sympathetic people in other parts of Hawaii, he was able to start orphanages for the children. After working for the colonies people, Father Damon moved to the other part of Hawaii and he started to help the people. However, he was working for the children who have no home, so he was also trying to help them. Now here we have a last paragraph. When the chapel was too small for the Father Damon's flock, they built another larger and more beautiful one. Father Damon's success in raising the spirits of his people was as important as any of his work. Student, the chapel was too small, means the church was too small for the Father Damon's flock. Flock means like the dens of the people. So they decided to make a big one and the beautiful as well. However, the spirit of Father Damon's people was as important as any of his work. He taught them not to be afraid of dying, but to look forward to it as the end of their troubles. He made their lives cheerful with music, colors, and festivals. His church were gaily painted and his services full of singing and ceremony. Students, after that, Father Damon was trying to teach the people, you are not supposed to be afraid of death. Just look forward, because at the end of the troubles will be no more. The Father Damon also tried to make a cheerful life for the people of Colony. He just started with the cheerful music, colors, and festivals, and also the church was painted, and his service just like a full of singing and the ceremonies as well. It means that these work are being done for only the people of Hawaii, so that they feel what is life. It doesn't mean that we have having some problems, so life is finished. No, we just have to start from the start again. Now the last lines are saying he was often accused of being rude and overbearing with outside helpers and those in authority. But with his lepers, he was always gentle. It means that the Father Damon used to say sorry for the rude behavior with the outside helper, but with his leper, he was always the gentle and kind. Okay, student, this chapter is saying that we are supposed to help people of the world like the needy people. We are not trying to stay away from them. As Father Damon did, we should also do something like this for the people of the world. Here you can see on your screen, there is a home assignment on your screen. You have to solve exercise A, B, and C, which is page number 28 to 29. And you also have to write a summary about the chapter by your own words. I hope you understand all the chapter. Students, stay home, stay safe. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.